Good afternoon all.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going for next example. For the function, next example, for the function f of x is equal to x square plus 2x. Find all values of c that satisfy the MPT over the interval -4 to 4. Now given function f of x is equal to x square plus 2x. It is a polynomial, isn't it? Hence, it is continuous as well as differentiable over the interval -4 to 4. So we can write here, it is a polynomial and hence it is continuous. It is continuous and differentiable over the given interval -4 to 4. Okay. Now taking derivative of this function, f dash of x is equal to x square, its derivative is 2x plus derivative of 2x, that is 2. Now for these two intervals, for these two endpoints, you have to check out whether the given function is continuous or not. Means here already it is polynomial, that's why it is a continuous as well as differentiable. So finding out the value for f of 4, which is equal to 4 square plus 2 into 4. So it is equal to 16 plus 8, that is 24. Similarly, finding out for f of -4. F of -4 is equal to -4 square plus 2 into -4. So it is 16. 16 minus 8. It gives 8. Okay. Now finding out f dash of c. So f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Okay. Which is equal to f of b. What is f of b? 24. It is 24 minus f of a, that is calculated 8, divided by b is equal to 4 minus -4, isn't it? So it is equal to 24 minus 8, 16. 16 divided by 8, it gives 2. So here we have the value of f dash of c, that is equal to 2. Let us find the value of c. Let's find the value of c in given interval -4 to 4, such that f dash of c is equal to 2. Therefore, as we know that the derivative of given function f dash of x is equal to 2x plus 2. Replace x by c. So you put here x is equal to c. So f dash of c is equal to 2 into c plus 2. So here it is 2 is equal to 2c plus 2. Therefore, c is equal to 2 minus 2, 0, 0 divided by 2, it gives 0. So here, just tell me whether this value of c is equal to 0, lies in between this interval.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So for value c is equal to 0, the given function satisfies the mean value theorem. Okay. Now next example. Just a minute. Verify MVT for f of x is equal to sin x in the interval 0 to pi. Next example. Verify mean value theorem for the function f of x is equal to sin x in the interval 0 to pi. Okay. Let us consider the given function f of x is equal to sin x. Now check out whether this function is continuous for the interval 0 to pi. Whether this function is differentiable. Yes, this function is differentiable in the interval 0 to pi, and this function is continuous for the value 0 and pi. Therefore, first condition, f of x is continuous. In 0 to pi, and f of x is differentiable for 0 to pi for this interval. Okay. Now find out derivative of f of x. So f dash of x is equal to derivative of sin x,
Cos x.
cos x. Okay. Now check the value f of x is equal to sin x for these two ends. So f of 0 is equal to sin 0, and sin 0 is equal to 0.
Zero.
Here a is equal to 0, b is equal to pi. Now next, f of pi is equal to sin pi. Sin pi is equal to काय येतोय? व्हॅल्यू काय येते? 0.
0.
Okay. Then f dash at c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Tell me that answer now. F dash of c. So f dash at c is equal to f of b
0.
0 minus 0 divided by b
Pi minus
pi
minus
minus 0.
0.
So f dash at c is equal to काय मिळेल आता? 0 na? 0. But as we know that if you are replacing that c x by c, already we have here f dash of x. Since f dash of x is equal to cos x. Okay, therefore cos C is equal to 0. Therefore C is equal to cos inverse of 0. C is equal to cos inverse of 0. So C is equal to cos inverse of 0.
Pi by 2.
Yes, it is pi by 2. And as we know that C is equal to pi by 2 lies in between the given interval. C is equal to pi by 2 lies in the interval 0 pi. Therefore, f of x is equal to sin x satisfies the mean value theorem. Lagrange's mean value theorem. प्रत्येकाने समजलं एक्झाम्पल सगळे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going for Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem. Okay. Now, what are the conditions? A real valued function f of x defined in the interval AB, where continuous on the interval AB. Second point or second condition, differentiable on or differentiable AB. Third point, f of A is equal to such that f of A is equal to f of B, then there exists some point C in the interval AB, such that f dash at C is equal to 0. F dash at C is equal to 0. So here the statement of Rolle's theorem, a real valued function f of x is defined in the interval AB where it is continuous on AB, that given function is continuous on the interval AB and differentiable on interval AB, where f of A is equal to f of B, then there exists some point C in the interval AB such that f dash of C is equal to 0. आता हे तिन्ही कंडिशन जर सॅटिस्फाय झाले तर आपण म्हणू शकतोय the given function satisfies the Rolle's theorem. Okay, so let us see first example. Verify Rolle's theorem. Verify Rolle's theorem. For f of x is equal to x cube, where x belongs to the interval -1 to 1. What is given here? The given function f of x is equal to x cube. the given function is a polynomial. हे पण एक इक्वेशन आहे x cube. Okay, so here f of x is equal to x cube. Just check out that where x belongs to -1 to 1. Differentiate it with respect to x. What we are getting here with respect to x, then f dash of x is equal to 3x square. एक point satisfy झाला. Now we know that the given function is polynomial. Okay, so polynomial function is always continuous. Polynomial function is always continuous. Continuous and differentiable. Okay, over the set R. Okay, now f of x is equal to here x cube. So f of x is equal to x cube. This is continuous for f of -1 is equal to -1. आता -1 x ची व्हॅल्यू जर -1 पुट केली तर आपल्याला x cube. So it is -1 its cube. It is equal to -1. And for f of 1 is equal to it is 1. ठीक आहे. आता या दोन्ही व्हॅल्यू साठी आता या ठिकाणी a is equal to -1 आहे and b is equal to 1 आहे. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी हे दिलेलं फंक्शन कंटिन्युअस आहे. ऑलरेडी हे पॉलिनॉमियल असल्यामुळे हे दिलेलं फंक्शन हे कंटिन्युअस आहे. as well we are taking its derivative, so it is also differentiable. Okay, now f of a, that is f of -1, f of -1 is equal to -1, and f of b, that is f of 1, is equal to 1. Now check out that f of a is equal to f of b. Whether this condition is going to be satisfied? ही condition satisfy होते का इथं?
No.
No, ma'am.
So here we can say that f of a is not equal to f of b. All conditions are satisfied. म्हणजे पहिले दोन conditions satisfy होतात, पण third condition satisfy होत नाही. बरोबर आहे? So we can say that all conditions of Rolle's theorems are not satisfied. Hence, Rolle's theorem is not applicable for the function f of x is equal to x cube. So here we can say that, hence, Rolle's theorem not satisfied or not verified for f of x is equal to x cube, where x belongs to the interval -1 to 1. Is it okay? Example समजलं?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
पहिल्यांदा काय करतोय आपण, दिलेलं फंक्शन हे कंटिन्युअस आहे तर चेक करायचं फॉर द गिवन इंटरवल. डिफरन्शिएबल आहे ते चेक करायचं. त्याच्यानंतर f of a is equal to f of b, ही कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय होते का? जर ही कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय झाली तर आपल्याला f dash of c is equal to 0 मिळतो, तो पॉइंट मिळतो. पण आता या ठिकाणी ही कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय झाली नाही या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये. सो वी कॅन से दॅट रोल्स थेरम आर नॉट satisfied for the function f of x is equal to x cube. Okay. And next, verify Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equal to x square into 1 minus x bracket square, where x belongs to the interval 0 to 1. सांगा आता मला स्टेप्स सांगा कसे फाइंड आउट करायचे. गिवन फंक्शन f of x is equal to x square into 1 minus x bracket square. Yes, please. For x belongs to the interval . Yes, tell me that first condition. F
F
of x is continuous. Second, for the interval 0 to 1, f of x is differentiable. For the interval 0 to 1. Therefore, f dash of x, tell me that f dash of x. Multiply करा. इथं बघा f of x काय दिलंय? f of x is equal to x square into 1 minus x bracket square, which is equal to x square into 1 minus x bracket square.
1 minus 2x.
1 square minus 2x plus x square ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Which is equal to, आता याला मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर आपण काय मिळणार आहे? x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus x square. आता याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्या. किंवा डायरेक्टली तुम्ही असं करू शकता ना, u into v rule अप्लाय केलात. u as it is derivative of
Yes, ma'am.
plus derivative of u into derivative v as it is.
Yes, ma'am.
हा कसं करणार सांगायचं आता?
4x
सांगा.
cube. 4x cube. 4x cube.
इथे सांगायचं.
मॅम ते कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होईल.
ठीक आहे सांगा. 4x cube minus 6x square
6x
plus
square
2x.
plus 2x.
ठीक है. 4x cube minus 6x square plus 2x. Now, आता या ठिकाणी a is equal to 0 आहे and b is equal to 1 आहे. आता f of a काढा आधी. f of a, that is f of 0 is equal to 0 into 1 minus x, that is 0. त्याच्यानंतर f of b find out करा. f of b is equal to 1 put करा.
0.
f of 1 is equal to 1 into 1 minus 1. Therefore, we can say that f of a is equal to f of b. f of a is equal to f of b. Therefore, we can say that, please tell me that Rolle's theorem satisfied. Rolle's theorem satisfied for the function f of x is equal to x square into 1 minus x bracket square. Okay. The f dash of x जो आहे तो f dash of c ने रिप्लेस करतो ना आपण इथं. Yes. Please tell me that.
Yes. F dash c is equal to 0.
काय करणार त्याला?
F dash x मध्ये c ची व्हॅल्यू पुट करून इक्वल टू 0.
इक्वल टू
0.
c ची व्हॅल्यू, c कसं काढणार मग तुम्ही याच्यामध्ये?
एफ डॅश एक्सच्या इक्वेशन मध्ये सी ची व्हॅल्यू पुट करायची.
कोणती व्हॅल्यू पुट करणार तुम्ही पण? जर इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय झालं तर इथं सी च्या ठिकाणी 0 पुट करतोय, बरोबर आहे. म्हणजे सी दिलेली फंक्शन जे आहे त्याच्यामध्ये सी एफ डॅश सी इज इक्वल टू 0 पुट केलं तर त्याच्यावरून आपल्याला सी ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करता येते आणि ते सी त्या फंक्शन मध्ये आहे की नाही ते चेक करतोय आपण. ओके, सो लेट अस कन्सिडर f dash of c, replacing that x by c, f dash of c is equal to 4c cube minus 6c square plus 2c. Here it is equal to 0. So 4c cube minus 6c square plus 2c. कसं काढणार होतं ह्याच्यातनं? c कॉमन काढला तुम्ही. 0 is equal to c in bracket 4c square minus 6c plus 2. फाइंड आउट करा c च्या व्हॅल्यूज.
-2 and -4.
0 is equal to c
C
in bracket 4c square minus 6c plus 2. याचे फॅक्टर्स काय आहेत? c ची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळेल?
C -2 and C -4.
c minus 2 into c minus 4.
Yes.
Is it okay? Therefore, c is equal to 0, c is equal to 2 and c is equal to 4. मग आता कोणत्या व्हॅल्यू साठी आपल्याला हे इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय होतं? हे दिलेलं फंक्शन सॅटिस्फाय होतं for c is equal to 0. Therefore, for c is equal to 0, the given function is satisfied. So c is equal to 0, which lies in the interval 0 to 1. हे समजलं?
Yes, ma'am.
येस मॅम.
Yes, ma'am.
बघा इथं 3 व्हॅल्यू मिळतात c ची आपल्याला. त्याच्यामध्ये एक व्हॅल्यू साठी आपल्याला c ची व्हॅल्यू आपण फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. त्या ठिकाणी तिथे मिळून जाते आपल्याला c ची व्हॅल्यू. ओके, एक थोडा वेळ तुमचा घेते मी इथं. जस्ट अ मिनिट. Thank you all of you.